Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, going to be very useful, and if you are an architect or if you are an specifically MEP consultant, if you are using that space or rooms, this is going to be an interesting one, where you'll have in your architectural model, you'll have a room. I'm showing you with the example of room, but you can apply that same to the space as well. So you'll have a room and you can take a schedule out of this. I have a room schedule here, and you'll be able to see that two rooms are available with their areas are specified. Have you noticed, if you delete it, have you ever noticed this error? A room was deleted from all the model views, but still remains in the project. Yes, when you go to the room schedule, it will be there still in this schedule, and you can control scroll it and you'll be able to see it in bigger space. So it's not placed, area will not show, it will not placed. So some room area, you can have it as bedroom or any rooms it will have. What happens, what is a useful option, this one, where you can have a number of rooms and you can have it as a template. If you are working with the typical projects, always if you are working with a residential project, you will need bedrooms and you will need toilets or any storage rooms. You can list them and you can have it as a template, a Revit project template, your own company template. You can use them in the project. That's the main thing. You'll be able to reuse them. That's the purpose of this, having these options. And you also notice that this particular row adding options, you can insert and you can add them, add the rooms, and you can rename them and you can keep it there. And this way you can have a number of rooms as you need it, but you won't see the insert row option in the other schedules. Specifically for wall schedule I'm in, you won't be able to see a new row. When you add an element, it will show up, but in room you'll have an option to add a row or delete a row. It's possible, and you can later, when you place the room, you'll be able to, you can come back to the room option and you can select the room option from here. And if you're placing the new room, and you can go with the new room. If you have the room already existing in your model, you can select the some room options, which is the earliest one. You can select that and you can place them directly. So once it is done, you can go back to the room schedule and you can see that the area is calculated, which means the rooms are placed in the model. So this is how you'll be able to place the existing rooms. You also note that you can assign the different properties of the room as well. You can keep it as a template in your project and you can reassign them in the later project. So it won't be difficult when you reassign them the properties, room finishes, ceiling finishes. You don't have to assign those property over again and again. You can have them as in the project template itself and you can reuse them. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Do subscribe and share it with your learning friends so that they also learn it, and hype the video so that the YouTube recommends us to the others as well. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.